it's Jazz, and today I want to show you the viral towel we've all been talking about. You'll see this on multiple videos, drying an entire car in just one swipe. Now let me tell you why this is so special. It's 1200 GSM microfiber, which means it is super plushy, and it has fibers that are really tall and grab onto the dirt so that when you wipe it across a surface, it grabs the dirt and pulls it away so that it doesn't scratch. Now what makes this different from other microfiber towels is the fact that this one is double thick. It's made of 2 layers of towel, and you can see that one side is gray and the other side is purple. The reason for that is quite clever. This way, when you're drying something off and have one side that picked up all the dirt and then flip it over and then dry it off with an even cleaner side. And the thing about these fibers is that the dirt really gets in deep under the surface so that when you're wiping, it's streak-free and scratchless. Now, other microfiber towels are small and you're gonna be using so many of them. This one is the extra large professional size that is literally 2 feet by 3 feet wide. And when we say it's super absorbent, we really mean it. It can absorb an entire gallon of water, and that's why it can dry an entire car with just one wipe. But why stop at cars when you can wash mirrors or glass? You can wash your furniture, or you can dry the floors. There isn't any surface that isn't safe to dry with this towel that creates a spotless, streakless shine. I've been seeing the videos everywhere about this towel, and we evaluated quite a few of these, and this is the best one yet. So why don't you go to PulseTV and grab yours today?